To switch back to a private account on Instagram, follow these steps. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. Tap the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Account section and tap on Account. Look for the Private Account option and toggle the switch to the right to enable Private Account. When you enable Private Account, only approved followers will be able to see your posts and stories. If you have any pending follow requests, you can approve or decline them in the Followers section of your profile. To approve or decline follow requests, go to your profile page and tap the Followers option. You will see a list of pending follow requests. Tap the check mark to approve a request or the X to decline a request. It is essential to note that when you switch to a private account, any existing followers will still be able to see your posts and stories. However, new followers will need to send a follow request and be approved by you before they can see your content. By following these steps, you can easily switch back to a private account on Instagram and control who sees your posts and stories. This is particularly useful for individuals who want to keep their Instagram account private and only share their content with friends and family.